So guys, I'm going to do a review of Tribit Xon Go Bluetooth speaker, which I purchased from Amazon, and it cost me around 2,370 rupees. So you can see this speaker. The speaker is, I mean, it's a company name is Tribit, as you can see here, and this speaker is really good. I got a very good review from Amazon and also the YouTube channel. So after doing some research, I thought about buying this speaker, and let's open it. I already unboxed it, so let me show you how is the speaker quality and how it sounds. So you will get the speaker, and also you will get a USB cable of C type, okay, because it has C type port. And so here is the speaker. I can show you. So this is the speaker looks like. So you can see this very small. You can see my thumb. I mean, you can predict the size of the speaker, and it's solid. I mean, it's not feels cheap in hand, and it's really have a very good build quality. And you can see it has a metal grill where it's showing this Tribit branding here, and in the back side it is having like this there is a text written like Xon Go. So this is the model name of this paper. Here we have this the charging port, which is here. So you can see this is a C-type port, and there is an aux cable also, so we can connect it with TV or maybe laptop or PC. So it comes with Bluetooth 5.0, and it has a 16-watt output. Also it has a playtime around 24 hours because it has 4400 milliampere of battery. So so MHA, which we can say, okay. So 4400 mAh battery. So it's really good. I mean, I don't know. I mean, most of the speaker in this range will give you a battery of 2000 milliampere. I mean mAh. So you can see these buttons available here, right? The power button, the Bluetooth button, and the play pause button, and this volume up and volume down button. So let's see the sound of this Bluetooth speaker. I have already connected with my Android phone, and let me just play one or two songs. I will play non-copyright song. So okay, so just a second. I think okay, it's okay. There is a good feature like it automatically disconnected if you I mean keep it idle for some time. So it takes so once you just play this power button on, and it will get connected with your phone. If the phone's Bluetooth is on, it takes around 1 or 2 seconds to connect with it. So it's really fast, and it has a range of 100 feet. I mean, I have also tested this thing, like how I mean, if I go away from the speaker for around I have tested for around, I think, 30 feet or 20 feet. I don't remember exactly, but it's good. I mean, the range is really good. I didn't find any fault in it. And let's play some music.
But do you ever try to put on the left side, put it up in your eyes? 'cause they know talking about the same.
I've never felt so alive in my life. 'Cause you make me come to life every time I'm free. Oh, and I'm loving all that you do. Can't you see? And I'm crashing right into you.
So in a nutshell, I can say this speaker has really very good quality of sound, and the bass is very good. I mean, really good. Not very big bass. I mean, I cannot. I mean, but it has a really good bass, and otherwise the sound clarity, the vocal, the high, mid, low, they are also good. No, I mean, I do not have any cons in it. So if you have a budget around 2000 to 3500 or 4000, then you can definitely go with it. And I already had another speaker of Logitech X100. So this is a speaker which I had already, and this speaker is really good. I mean, I purchased it in 2016 or 15, I guess, but it still sounds great, but recently it got damaged due to some reason, and so I had to purchase new one. So this definitely better than this one. I mean, the loudness and the build quality and the bass, the overall sound. Okay, so thank you for watching.